guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Today we are going to be making a cross wreath, and the cross work wreath frame was purchased at Dollar Tree, and my ribbon came from Sam's Club. So this is the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and I am just hot gluing it onto the cross wreath form. Just be careful when you're hot gluing your ribbon onto your wreath form that you do not burn your fingers and you do not glue the cross to the table. And you're just going to carefully wrap the ribbon around your cross, just overlapping just a little bit. Just try to get it tight and just continue wrapping. You can make this cross wreath for any time of the year. I am just making mine for Christmas, and so you can make it for Valentine's Day, Easter, just any time to hang in your house. But I just chose Christmas ribbon, so you can choose whatever type of ribbon that you like. And you can either, when you come to the intersection of the cross, you can either cut it off and hot glue it, or you can do like I did and just kind of zigzag across and keep wrapping the cross all the way to the end. I really don't think it matters if your ribbon has wire in it or not for this wreath. Wire makes a big difference when you're tying a bow, but I think it's fine to use ribbon without wire to wrap your cross. So just continue wrapping it all the way to the end, and then hot glue the ribbon to the work wreath. And then now I'm working on the, horizontal, would that be right? Horizontal part of the cross. And so same steps, just hot glue it on, make sure and be careful not to burn your fingers, and then just wrap it tightly till you get to the other side. And I have been wearing the hot glue finger guards, and they really work nicely, but my other hot glue gun just burned me one too many times. So I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday and I bought one that, cooler temp one, and so far I'm liking it. It seems to really go through the hot glue sticks, but I'm liking it because I haven't gotten burned yet. I just bought the inexpensive one. I think it was like $3.99 at Hobby Lobby, and it just says low temp on it. And then I bought the glue sticks for the low temp hot glue gun too. So I hope that helps if you're looking for one. And same thing in the middle, I just wrap the ribbon across. You can end it and start fresh again if you want on the other side. Just make sure that you get it nice and smooth and tight. And to hang this wreath, you can either add a zip tie or a piece of wire at the top. Just wire it to the work wreath frame and make a loop, and that way you can hang it on your door. I used a zip tie on mine. And I forgot to mention this, but when you start, leave just a little bit of ribbon overhanging the work wreath form. That way, in the end, you can go back and kind of press it down, and kind of like you would like wrapping a gift or something on the ends, and that way you don't just see directly in and see the frame. So kind of make each end overlap a little over the frame so you can kind of close it like a package with a dot of hot glue. I hope that makes sense. And then I decided to tie a bow. This ribbon is also from Sam's Club, and it's the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. So I just tied a small bow, and I'm just going to take a piece of floral stem wire and wrap it tightly around the center of the bow. Just always try to make your loops about the same size on each side. Just make sure you get this wire tightly around the center, and then you'll be ready to fluff your loops. I like ribbon that has words written on it. The burlap ribbon says Merry Christmas, and then the black and white ribbon says Peace, Merry Christmas, Jingle, Merry and Bright, Joy, Happy Holidays. So I thought these were really pretty. I know it might not be what everyone would choose for their cross wreath, and that's okay. So just choose whatever ribbon that you like. And right now, Dollar Tree has some pretty Christmas ribbon in that has wire. So if you don't have a Sam's Club close by, or you don't want to go, just run to Dollar Tree, and they have some really pretty Christmas ribbon in right now. And I am just taking my wires from my bow and I'm just threading them through the center of the cross and going to the back and going to give it a few twists. And then I am going to trim off the extra wires and just fold them down. Now if you wanted to, you can add a piece of black felt over the back of these wires so that it looks nice and clean and tidy before you hang it up. These are really simple to make and inexpensive, and I think they would make perfect Christmas gifts for your friends and family and neighbors. So that's just a thought. It didn't take me very long at all to make this. And you'll also want a floral pick. Mine came from Dollar General, and I just cut one poinsettia off and I'm just hot gluing it on to the center of my bow. You could add some berry picks if you wanted to. I thought they would look pretty, but I just kept mine simple and I just used a zip tie to hang it up on my door. So let me know what you're working on. Are you working on fall, Halloween, Christmas? What are you working on? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching, guys. And I almost forgot that I will add a materials list in the drop-down box below for you. So have a great day. Thank you.